Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade using Trust Wallet. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile device. This secure, non-custodial wallet allows you to manage many cryptocurrencies and interact with decentralized applications. We'll cover everything from setting up your wallet to executing your first trade, making the process straightforward and understandable for everyone. Let's get started. Before you can trade, you need to fund your Trust Wallet. You have two main options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange, or you can buy crypto directly within the app using a credit card or other supported payment methods. Always double-check that you are sending funds to the correct network address to avoid any loss of assets. This step is crucial for smooth trading. Now, let's make a trade. Open the D-app browser inside Trust Wallet and navigate to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Connect your wallet to the exchange, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade from and the one you wish to receive. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm the swap. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it. Finally, always prioritize security. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone and be wary of phishing attempts. Always research any cryptocurrency project thoroughly before investing your hard-earned money. Smart trading involves understanding the risks and making informed decisions. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.